All right, so when you picture the universe, what do you see? Probably a bunch of stars and galaxies just floating around in empty space, right? Kind of random. Well, what if I told you that's not the whole story? Not even close. It turns out there's a massive, invisible skeleton holding everything in place. So today, let's pull back the curtain on this hidden architecture of the cosmos.
I mean, it's a huge question, probably one of the biggest ones out there. What is actually holding the universe together? We can see all this incredible stuff, galaxies, massive clusters of galaxies, but what's the blueprint? Is there some kind of grand design that dictates where everything goes?
And the answer is no, space is not empty. Not really. Underneath everything we can see, there's this incredible invisible scaffolding, a massive interconnected web that's literally shaping everything in the cosmos.
Okay, so what is this cosmic skeleton exactly? Well, astronomers call it the cosmic web, and it's made up of these massive structures you could think of as, well, cosmic ropes.
So let's get a clear definition here. These cosmic ropes are basically these huge thread-like filaments of dark matter and gas, and their job? To act as the gravitational scaffolding of the entire universe. Think of them as the superhighways that guide the traffic of stars and galaxies.
So what are they made of? Two main things. First, you've got dark matter. Now, you've probably heard of it. It's that mysterious, invisible stuff that has gravity but doesn't give off any light. It's most of the mass in the universe, actually. And second, you've got just regular old gas. Huge clouds of it. The very same stuff that eventually becomes stars and galaxies. And the scale of these things is just mind-blowing. We're talking about a single one of these filaments stretching for hundreds of millions of light years. That's long enough to connect entire clusters of galaxies. It's almost impossible to wrap your head around.
Now, these ropes aren't just sitting there. Oh no. They are super dynamic. They're basically directing this beautiful universe-sized performance. So let's take a look at this cosmic ballet and see how everything actually moves along this web.
And here's the key thing to understand. Galaxies are not just wandering aimlessly through space. Nope, their movement is guided. They are literally following the paths laid out for them by these invisible cosmic ropes. So what does that journey look like for a typical galaxy? Well, first, gravity pulls it onto one of these filaments. Then it starts migrating along it, kind of like a car on a cosmic highway. And its final destination, it eventually plunges into a dense node, which is basically a bustling cosmic metropolis where all these filament highways intersect and galaxies all crowd together.
I love this quote because it just sums it up so beautifully. These are not random journeys, but carefully sculpted trajectories defined by the curvature of spacetime itself. So it's not chaos at all. It's this incredibly elegant, sculpted dance, all dictated by the way the massive gravity of the cosmic web warps spacetime.
Okay, so this is all really cool, but I know what you're probably thinking. If this whole thing is made of invisible dark matter, how in the world do we know it's actually there? How do you see the invisible?
Yeah, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? How do you prove something you can't see is real? It's a huge challenge, but astronomers have come up with some seriously clever ways to tackle it.
So it really comes down to a 1-2 punch of evidence. First, there's observation. We just look at the galaxies we can see, and when you map out millions of them, you notice they aren't just sprinkled everywhere. They form a clear, web-like pattern. They're basically tracing the invisible structure for us. The second punch is simulation. We use supercomputers to model the universe from the Big Bang forward. And guess what? Every single time, this same web-like structure forms all on its own. The model predicts what we actually see.
And these aren't just guesses. We have some serious tools for this. Things like huge sky surveys that map out the actual sky. And then we have these massive computer models like the Illustris and Millennium simulations. They're like our virtual universes in a box. So we compare the real map from the surveys to the virtual map from the simulations, and when they match up, we know we're onto something big.
Okay, we've talked about what these ropes are and how we know they exist. But now for the big question. Why should we care? What's the point of this giant invisible scaffolding? Why does it even matter?
Because here's the thing. These ropes aren't just a quiet background feature. They are the engine of cosmic evolution. They're actively in charge, dictating how the entire universe grows and changes over billions and billions of years.
And they influence pretty much everything. They funnel gas into galaxies, which controls how fast new stars are born. They decide the actual shape of those giant galaxy clusters. And yeah, they're the ones steering galaxies onto collision courses, setting up those epic mergers that create new, bigger galaxies.
And that really brings us to the main takeaway here.
It's captured perfectly in this idea of a universe shaped not merely by its visible content, but by the invisible threads of dark matter that bind it. To really get the universe, you can't just look at the bright stuff. You have to understand the invisible structure holding it all together.
So that leaves us with a pretty wild thought to chew on. We found this hidden skeleton that underpins the entire cosmos. It just makes you wonder, right? What other invisible forces, what other unseen structures might be shaping the reality we experience every single day, just waiting to be discovered?